We're at Benny Blanco's house. He had a ton of security out front. They hardly let me through with this chicken. I really hope he likes it. Hey.
What are you doing here?
I brought you the chicken.
What?
We talked like 2 days ago. You said I could.
Yeah, I didn't think you live in Boston. You're actually here?
Yeah, I brought you fried chicken.
You're insane. Come around back. Come on, let's go.
You love fried chicken, tell me why. Okay, no explanation, just dive right in.
Do you have like a fryer in the car? How's it?
I've been known to cook in the drive-thru. I've actually done that several times. This time I did not cook it in the car.
How is it so crispy?
It's really good, yeah. Double fried. You seem like someone who knew your way around a good piece of fried chicken, so I was a little bit nervous to cook for you, believe it or not.
I fully this chicken. This is 10 out of 10. Crispy, it's juicy, it's succulent.